Your pre-market summary for Wednesday, June 29th. Futures reversing early weakness here, trying to get back into positive territory in early trading ahead of comments from Fed Chair Powell coming up this morning. He's going to be speaking at the European Central Bank Forum happening over in Europe this morning. So that'll be about 9 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you're with us at 8:30. We'll get you set for that. We're also going to get the final look at Q1 GDP coming out this morning, which will be a market moving event. Overall, though, the market coming off another pretty steep sell-off yesterday. All three U.S. markets in the red at the end of the day in a big way. So good to see. Right now, some positivity back here. 0.18 for the S&P, the Dow 0.09, 0.14 there for the NASDAQ. Back to the upside. Continued strength in crude oil as well. 1.3% right now. Back higher for crude. Bitcoin briefly dipped below 20,000 once again overnight. Some of the crypto-related stocks back under pressure. A few other things we're watching here. Here's that big ugly reversal bar on the SPY yesterday. Back to the downside. We are trying to regain some of that candle currently here in the pre-market. So we'll see how things pan out. Yeah, NIO on watch here this morning. Down big time after that short seller Grizzly Research yesterday out with a pretty bearish note on NIO, down significantly in the pre-market here along with the rest of the Chinese EV makers. Chip makers under pressure as well. Bank of America out this morning with a downgrade on both NVIDIA and AMD. Also, remember this happened yesterday. They came out and said there was some data stolen from their website, or allegedly stolen from their website for AMD. So more negativity for chip makers after, pretty ugly candle there for AMD yesterday. We're watching Shopify. Yeah, Shopify's 35-ish this morning. If you haven't looked at a chart yet after that 10-for-1 split takes place, not a lot of volume so far pre-market, but worth a note so far. Pinterest as well, higher this morning after former Google executive set to take over as CEO for the company. A ton to talk about this morning, a ton to get ready for the market when it opens at 9:30. Make sure you join us at 8:30, guys. Grab the watch list. Right now, it's free. It's that link down there, bottom of the screen. Check us out at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.